with Gloria. Today I want to share with you some very delicious crispy chicken tacos that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have onion, chicken bouillon, tomato, garlic cloves, chicken, tortillas. I have shredded potato, shredded carrot, lettuce, sour cream, king taco salsa with a little bit of avocado, and vegetable oil. These are the only things we need for these delicious chicken crispy tacos. So let's get started. I want to start with my onion. I'm going to go ahead and slice it and then cut it in little pieces, really diced and fine, so that it will incorporate completely with the chicken. The same thing I'm doing with my tomato. I want to just go ahead and cut it in little squares. And here I have my garlic cloves. I'm going to go ahead, dice it really finely, and this is all nice and done. Now let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot. It has 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm adding my chicken. The chicken is in really small little pieces, and I'm adding my chicken bouillon. I'm just gonna mix it in and let it cook, but I need to cover it for at least 20 minutes so that chicken releases all that delicious flavor. When everything is nice and incorporated, let's cover it. I'll see you back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed, and look at this. Look how delicious this looks. Now is the time to start adding our onion. I'm just gonna incorporate it and then add my tomato. Once the tomato is nice and incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my diced garlic. We wanna make sure that we mix it completely so everything is really nice and cooked. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long before the chicken really is nice and cooked. I'm adding my shredded carrots, and now I'm going to add my shredded potato. This really doesn't take too long to cook. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it for just a little bit, and then I'm gonna cover it for about 15 minutes. I want to show you how it looks. You could really see the carrot slices and the potato. This really gives such a delicious flavor to the taco. 15 minutes have passed, and this is completely done. You could see the colors. It smells delicious. Look at this. There's no liquids on the bottom of the pan, so that means that this is ready to be removed. I have a little plate here, and I'm gonna start removing everything to the little plate. Look at this. Let me take it and let's start making our tacos. Okay, I have everything in here. I have my cold tortillas. I'm gonna take them to the microwave just for a couple minutes so that they could get really nice and warm. And they are nice and warm now. I'm just gonna separate them so they get a little cool down before I start making my tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and just start adding 1 full tablespoon, or maybe just a little more, okay? Be generous with your mixture of the chicken, the carrot, and the potato. I'm gonna help myself with some toothpicks, and I got a little larger toothpicks to make it easier for me so that all the filling of the taco doesn't come out. So I'm gonna just do the sides I want to show you this step because this is very important, or else when you are frying your taco, everything will be coming out and your oil is really going to get all dirty with all the mixture that we added to the taco. So I just go ahead and do the corners, and these are a little larger than regular toothpicks. I'm going to do one more so that you could see how I prepare these delicious tacos. The mixture is already nice and room temperature, so it's not too hot to handle. And now I'm just putting the little toothpicks right on the sides only to make it easier, so when it's nice and fried, you could just remove them very easily. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to do this, adding the toothpicks. Okay, I'm going to continue with the rest, and I will show you when I'm completely done with my tacos. Okay, I am done with the tacos. I have a pan already on the stove, and it's already preheated. You want to make sure that you warm your oil before adding your tacos, or else the tortilla will absorb a lot of oil, and that's exactly what we don't want. We don't want to overcrowd the pan either. I have a plate here with some napkins, so when the tacos are nice and crispy, I'm going to go ahead and just remove them and put them directly onto this plate with the napkins to take the excessive oil out of the tacos. I'm flipping them, and I want to show you how they look. They are already really nice and crispy from that side. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long, maybe a minute and a half on each side, and then they're ready to go. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and start removing them because you don't want to leave them too long there, or else they will get more than crispy, okay? That's what you don't want. You just really want them really nice and crispy. I'm going to continue adding the rest of the tacos until I am completely done. But please don't overcrowd your pan. Look at how they look. Really nice and crispy. Well, see you when I am almost done. These are my last two tacos. And believe me, I can't wait to start tasting them. They just look delicious, just the way they are. Okay? Look, I wanted to show you from close up so that you could see the little sticks. They're a little larger, these toothpicks, and it's easier for you to remove. Well, here they're completely done, and I am ready for the presentation. And of course, I can't wait to taste them. So I'll see you back in just a little bit. I am completely done with these crispy chicken tacos. I added some lettuce, sour cream, fresh Mexican cheese, and king taco salsa, and I just added some avocado inside. Well, you know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let me add some salsa and avocado, and I'll tell you how this came out. Excuse me. You know something? All that filling is so delicious, and it's so nice and crispy. Excuse me. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here in my home with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious and crispy chicken tacos. See you in my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.